Stop losing powers when you see indices. This is actually not an exponential graph. This is actually a graph of a straight line, as you'll see in a few seconds. When you meet these exponents like this, all you need to do is to convert the next one into the base, into the given base, right? So now we have 3 to the power x plus y is equals to 3 to the power 3, right? Because 27 is 3 to the power 3. And now look at how simple it becomes. It becomes x plus y is equals to 3. I told you, this is an equation of a what? Of a straight line and not an exponential graph. All right, so this one is an equation of a, sorry, I didn't hear that. Circle, right? This is an equation of a circle. Very good. Number one mistake. There's no need to square, because remember, if you square this, it's not going to give you xy plus y squared. Remember, you can't square here to get that. So don't do that. I have put together a set of strategies for every type of question you are going to meet in paper 1 in a document that I compiled that I call the M1 blueprint. It's not a 400-page textbook that you need to memorize over 2 years, but 30 to the point pages showing you what questions you will encounter in paper 1, how to answer those questions, and the tricks and traps that you should avoid. If you master 1 page, not just 1 page a day of the M1 blueprint, you'll be ready to write maths paper 1 in 30 days. If you'd like me to send you the M1 blueprint, click the link in my bio. Now, the best thing is to express one of these as a subject of each other. X is equals to 3 minus y. Do you see that? We moved y to the other side, became a negative. And then now you take this one and then you put it into that equation, right? So where there is x, we put 3 minus y. So now we have 3 minus y brackets squared, because here x is squared, so it means we need to also square that one, plus y squared is equals to 17, right? So this is what you have. And then, so as you can see, this is going to be a quadratic equation because of the square there, and also the square, so it means the highest power of y here is going to be a square. And so we are going to expect 2 solutions for y. But first, we need to simplify this bracket. The shortcut of squaring, you square the first one and the second one, and then 2 times the terms inside, right? So let's do that. So 3 squared, that is 9, right? And then y squared, okay, because I want to write the middle term in the middle,